never saw that performance on screen, what she did in Gangs.
Properly earned me a Filmfare. A person is also the product of the circumstance. Like literally, the release of my film clashed with 26/11.
You've done fuckery. It's just... I'm going to a new girl who has created history at Sundance. But उसको यहाँ पे एजेंसी से बोला जाता है कि तुम्हारे Instagram numbers नहीं है यार.
Because I love working with Bhansali saab. This is my standard. I'm like, yeah, this is my standard. Okay, I'll show you. Those are very easy. Ali का गुस्सा इतना सस्ता है. ये गलत काटा है.
It's just aesthetic.
Clutter है भरपूर.
Yeah, if there's a baby,
But
there's going to be
aesthetically
clutter.
very good clutter, let's call it that.
You didn't tell me what do you like most about her.
He loves
Correct.
everything. है ना Ali?
Yes.
Hi, I'm in conversation with a couple who are the current it couple, I think. They've just had a beautiful baby. They are wonderful actors. And so between motherhood and promoting their latest film, Girls Will Be Girls, they took time off to have a conversation with me. Excerpts from an unexpurgated conversation. I'm in conversation with Richa Chadha and Ali Fazal. Thank you so much for being
Thank you.
part.
This
Thank
has been
you.
a long pending conversation.
Yes.
What a
Just-
lovely introduction also. Amazing.
How many sleepless nights? Who takes turns? Tell me all.
She has been the master manipulator in this in a most beautiful way. At, if I'm not wrong, around 2 months, you
Yeah, 1.5
managed to train her to sleep nights. So our, like, touch wood,
Touch wood, yeah.
मतलब आज तक at
Exactly,
least,
exactly,
because you know
yeah.
babies keep changing as they're growing. She's managed to get her to sleep through the large part of the night, which is like 10 to 7, 6 in the morning first. Now it's graduated to 8 in the morning. Of course, slowly it'll like...
Actually, yesterday almost there. She slept at 8:30 and woke up at 7:30
Yeah.
this morning.
This is our
So no sleepless
large chunk of
nights for you.
conversation.
No, I mean, so the thing is, the change is so profound that you're sleepless for other reasons, you know? Like,
Yeah.
in the first month or so, obviously you're damn confused. You don't know what's happening to you, to your body. You're still calibrating, and your body has a weird sense of, you know, the belly you had for 9 months. And there, it's like, oh,
called, na?
can
Phantom
I turn
something.
on my side? Will my belly be squished? Oh, it's outside now. Who is that person breathing? You know, basically you're very tuned to the survival needs of, I mean, for me at least, and I've spoken to a lot of moms, they're not immediately into like, oh my god, my life has changed, but they're just like breathing, swallowing, spitting, burping, good, okay. And then, you know, the anxiety level is a bit high, but over time,
In the first month. it's
yeah, I
high.
would say month
Yeah.
or two at least.
But that, I think
It's
we
natural.
were all like figuring out. I mean, I remember day one, just just looking at this. We've come back, gone home, 2 people, come back.
3 people.
So we're looking and we're saying, अब क्या करना है? You know that first thought? कि आ तो गए, and hospital was very nice, all comfy. You know, the nurses are there, the doctors are there, and some expert of this, expert of that. Suddenly you come back home and you're like, okay, you know.
And there's a pink
This-
little thing lying wrapped like a burrito. And you're like, oh, now it's at home, like so cute and edible.
Yeah.
What do you do with this?
Shit is
Initially-
that.
But you have support at home.
I
too,
do have
so then
support,
that's
yeah.
good.
Touch wood, yeah. Like I,
I mean, hats off to the traditional wisdom of the Japa bhais we have in India. They
Yeah.
know so much like massage. how
Yeah,
to-
yeah.
It's really important.
I think it's also a process of teaching us
Yeah.
that process that they go through with the kids.
Actually, that's the real job. Teaching us.
Yeah.
To see ki when I leave them, he zinda rahega ki nahi. They have to take care of this thing. You know?
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you feel? What sort of change did you become less inward looking and more like, okay, now there's a baby? You know, because actors are very narcissistic and self-obsessed. So
I wish actually that I was a bit narcissist. I think it really would have served me well to have that one little touch of vanity, something like, I wish I really do. I really think that it would have served me well to have that trait.
Yeah. You can still have it. You can nurture it.
Now I'm disdainful towards that trait. Now I'm just like, yeah.
So you're not
Maybe
vain
it's-
at all. Neither are you.
I think I like to be. I'm an actor. Sometimes we are by default in that space. We tend to.
Sometimes Ali's just a boy, you know, he's checking out his hair and wearing his glasses and things.
I have to
think
check
there's a
out my
panache
hair.
there.
देखा है क्या हालत हो रही है? I can't.
This man bun that he's got.
Every day I'm trying to figure out how to take care of it. मैं 2 दफा नहाता था, अब मैं डरता हूँ जाते हुए, because suddenly this new concept कि नहीं आप बाल मत धोइए एक दिन, and that concept is wrong in my head because भाई आप नहाते हो तो आप you wash up everything.
Why we South Indians, we are taking bath twice a day.
अरे
Yeah.
but women don't know, am I right? Like
We can't wash our hair.
you
every
can't,
day.
right? You are used to the fact that a part of your body can be left. So that is new for me. Grooming.
Okay, so
grooming.
tell me tell me about your love story. How you met? Were you all
Jab we
variously seeing each other, someone else, and then how you? I'm guessing you all met on the sets of Fukre when the real romance happened. Tell me
I
a little.
don't think Sets of Fukre was where our romance happened.
No?
Actually, no. We had met in
But
another.
मेरा शुरू हो चुका था वहीं।
अच्छा, oh, I
उसके
didn't.
पहले in the during the readings for Fukre, I
You knew
used
this was it.
I somewhere knew I needed to be close to this person. I needed to know her. You know that sudden pang you get, and I didn't know it was love and all that. Because I'm also the skeptic. I'll always be like, nahi, cliche mat, don't fall for the cliche. This can't be it. But I have to be close to her. I have to know her. I never saw that performance on screen by any female actor, what she did in Gangs. Of course, other films are great, but that range I'd never seen anybody pull off.
He properly earned me a Filmfare, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Like, and that was a year of some tough
Yeah,
competition.
yeah. There were people like us sitting and
Actors
championing
who
you.
sulked with me for years after that, who never
Really?
spoke to me.
बट हम ये बात कर रहे थे ना, ऐसा क्यों है?
ऐसा नहीं होना
मुझे
चाहिए.
बहुत दुख होता है जब दूसरों की उस पे
I think we've stopped celebrating one another.
है ना?
Which I think it's a new phenomenon. I think 10 years ago it was not that. I think we just stopped clapping for one another.
Yeah.
And I blame it on managements and PR and.
The paraphernalia has become
yes.
bigger than the.
So were you all variously seeing other people, and when did you realize ki, okay, this is the moment, she's the one or he's the one, I'd like to get to know better?
That was after, I think, I was done
much
with my...
after the film, I think. When the promotions began, I actually saw him dancing very goofily at a place, and that was the first time I noticed him like as a man of the opposite gender. Earlier, he was like, in the same bunch of like
Buddy.
Fukre boys, and we were just hanging out eating chole bhature every day. And it was not that kind of equation at all. But when I first noticed him in that capacity, I really did feel like a spark, and he was totally unaware. And he was dancing badly. So I think this has to be genuine. I'm connecting to something that he's not trying to do. Like, he's not trying to impress anyone with his moves. He's really struggling, and I'm like, wow, this is amazing.
You know those impromptu dances that they ask you to do कि
He
stage
like
पे आइए
pull this in, and like, you know how it is.
I don't remember the moves, yeah, and these all these guys ऐसे रट्टा मार के आए थे कि
They're like
all in sync. So I don't know.
Yeah, then
Maybe you saw that.
That night I texted him saying, hey, let's get a coffee sometime. It's nice to talk to you. I mean, something very platonic and covered in disguise. And yet it took some time even after that message. He replied very quickly. Those were BBM days.
Yeah.
I was like, why yaar? Jaldi reply aa gaya. Chalo, achhi baat. And then yeah, we gradually got to know each other. Same like theatre friends.
Okay.
The circle is similar.
Both of you are from theatre?
Went through theatre. Yeah, that was
She, I know, has done a lot of theatre.
He's done more actually.
Okay.
I did a lot of English theatre.
Yeah, in Bombay.
In Bombay when I came. But Bombay was college also, so during college it started.
My first play in a lead role, it got me an audition for Oilaki. So then I kind of switched. But until a few years ago, we were still working on a play or two. I think every 2 years I'd end up doing something in theatre.
So, as outsiders, how do you hack it? Like, how do you hack the movie business?
Have we
Like,
hacked
you
it?
started-
We have to ask an insider like Jitesh.
Yeah, you
Nahin,
won the
there's-
Filmfare over a lot of leading actors of that time. You hacked it.
And to be fair, I want to tell you, I didn't have the money, if there was any, to pay for this. I never lobbied for it. So I want to say it was a completely fair decision.
You should ask the conspiracy theorists. They will have other stories to say. How did you, as you started with Dibakkar, or are you still trying to come to terms with the movie business? How?
I honestly, so very academic answer I'll give you, because I feel like a person is also the product of the circumstances. So when I entered the industry in 2008, the recession hit. Like literally, the release of my film clashed with 26/11. That was so. So I instantly got a reality check
Yeah,
that I
Bhai told me
love
about it.
this job, but it's like the biggest gamble in the world. So I think in some ways, as a very young person, I learned that very quickly. So I was like, okay, this is the job. I'll go back. I'll do some plays. I'll train myself a little more. I'll run my house on some TV commercials and things. So I think that initial period of like being very praised for film, first film fresh out of college, till then it taking like 4 years for a Gangs of Wasipur type of opportunity to be out there in the world, it really taught me patience and resilience. And I may crib or I may be anxious, but I feel like I mean, maybe even for Ali, I mean, he should answer. It's like kind of like a, it's not like a sprint, it's more like a marathon or at least a half marathon. So you learn to be a little, again, like if you little bit detached from it, if you don't take the praise and don't bother about what other people are doing and kind of drive in your lane because you know what you want to do and there may not be many reference points for what you're trying to achieve in that ecosystem, then you have, because there's nothing else you can be compared to, you just have to like drive on your own and do it.
Yeah, no, those are good
No,
teachings.
I'm what
And
you're
right now,
saying.
even the
Yeah.
industry is in such flux, no?
Yeah.
Like we were just having an off-cam conversation about print and digital. Who's reading what? Can people even write a full sentence anymore? Many things. So this is like then it goes to how you are watching things. And now the fact that we watch something, we say we are consuming content.
Yeah.
Think about it. Everyone is, and general people are saying, like teachers and bankers are saying, I like to consume content.
Consume content.
Like
It's like
consume
a
content. Earlier, you would just watch a movie. So those words are important. What they do to our psyche.
What about you? How do you hack stuff? Like, where I'm coming from is okay, it's established that you're a fine actor, but you've not had your breakthrough moment yet.
I don't have a box office.
You went to Hollywood and
Yeah.
you did some great stuff. I
Yeah.
mean, with who gets a chance to work with Dame Judi Dench, and like who does? Like very few people, and you know. If it was an epochade, he would have run with the Hollywood tag, and for the next 25 years, we'd all be, including the media, would be talking about how wonderful he's done Hollywood and all of that. And I truly believe you've not got your due when it comes to that. But generally, I'm trying to think, how do you hack the.
It's the longest reigning question in my life, and I think somewhere that seeking validation in different compartments like these, the idea of it changed for me when like I was telling you before, when I tasted blood on the other side of the world. I thought, wow, there's an entire world out there where we are getting to share our stories, where we are getting to be part of. I'm getting to be part of those stories.
So you auditioned for these roles? How did it happen?
Yes, auditioned. In fact, now the crazy part is like the auditions were happening here for Victoria and Abdul. I remember sitting with Reshma. Well, at the time, Reshma Shetty, randomly having a meeting, and she tells me, "Now that is luck by chance, maybe, I don't know. कि वो कोई कर रहा है." And a lot of people auditioned for it. I wasn't called for it at first. I called up and I said, "Yeah, can I just send in something?" So I got it. And then they called me again. And then they called me to London. And then we sat with Judy because Stephen wanted to understand how Judy would relate with me. So we sat in a room. And so sweet, she had done her homework. She couldn't pronounce it right. But she says, you've done fuckery. It's just, I'm going, oh, that's so sweet. And yeah, you got, yeah, I tried watching it or something, whatever. She did all that. That's just so sweet. But, that was that. And then I went on to do the other stuff. And then you come back home and you realize, oh, okay, now suddenly there is respect because I've done the U-turn back. But am I supposed to then, Pito the Dindora?
Which you can't do.
Which I can't. I'm not designed. I realized I'm not designed like that. I was trying to do that a lot, but I couldn't afford it at the time. And then
Does
I
PR take a lot of money? It's a lot of
PR
money.
When you are
I
playing the
mean,
big ones, I think it is, and it's an ecosystem which
today is
is
really
feeding in
skewed.
its it's feeding in itself, both sides, right? So
I feel like today is really skewed in that way. I mean, we don't do it, but
no, but my own colleagues I know who get flagged for not having Instagram numbers, sorry.
Yeah, I heard this. There are a lot of people
है
are
ना?
fined on the basis. Is that true?
yeah.
Yes,
On the basis of
yes.
their Instagram number.
Our leading lady, Preeti, she's been told by an agency. Now, this is a new girl who has created history at Sundance by winning Best Actor award. Now, इंडिया से कोई नहीं जीता है. वो सब हुआ है, पूरे साल जीतती आ रही है, फिल्म जा रही है फेस्टिवल्स में, बट उसको यहाँ पे एजेंसी से बोला जाता है कि तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम नंबर्स नहीं है यार. We can't. Can you pump in some money for PR? Can you get a PR agency?
Yeah.
Because that will be the reason why I manage you.
People could
So-
always pay for PR.
है ना?
There are agencies.
Maybe I
Depends
shouldn't
on
be saying
how
this.
much.
I'll cost her on management.
No, it's just like earlier also people would have arrangements and it would be like a barter. But I feel like now with the expenses on actors are too much. Imagine that you just have to step out also.
Hair,
Yeah.
makeup, styling.
Not just
all
that, वो तो था 10 साल पहले भी, but now people expect us only to click the photographs and send it to the designer. So essentially, it's evolved into that.
But it's all cocooned. Like you were saying earlier, no, we're all becoming part of units. So there's no real interaction now. पहले
Rajshri
भाई
also written about this.
हाँ
once.
मतलब just without any agenda सलाम दुआ नहीं होती
हाँ वो थोड़ा अजीब
है ना कि कोई किसी का हाल पूछ ले कि हम आते हैं घर आके आप चाय पीते हैं really respect your work and that's it.
हाँ ये अच्छी चीज नहीं है मतलब हमारे पॉकेट्स में होता है the close friends we have
हाँ
we're
वो है
constantly
because
going
we
to
try
their
and
houses and just have
maintain
a
that.
family type of equation in some settings, but it's not always possible. It's become very. But I guess the world has become like that.
We can
And I think you as a couple are very different. Like
Fair.
that's my sense I get as a couple. You are very, very. You're not like when you go out. It's not an outing for the paparazzi. There's a lot of.
but
There's a
We
lot
run. We're like shit. ये वाली चप्पल मैं 2 बार से पहन रही हूँ.
So you started dating, and so what was like? How long did you date before you actually decided to get married? So what? And also I want to know what are the ups and downs. What did you learn about him? What did you hate about him? What do you like about him? And vice versa.
It's like a documentary.
no, but I think I still don't like that you worry too much.
Is she an overthinker?
Yeah,
Arre,
yeah.
that's an
Massive
understatement.
overthinker.
I don't know what it is, but you have to. She has this thing of, I have to take care of, A, B, C.
I don't know,
D.
elder sister syndrome. I'm sure there's somebody who'll come up with a name for this, but yeah.
But
You
that's a
shouldn't
good
be.
thing, no?
It's a good thing, yeah.
No, sometimes it's good to be selfish, and
Especially
I
after
shouldn't say.
giving birth.
So the
It's just
least
like-
you like about her is her overthinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I worry too much, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And about him, least you like and most you like. You didn't tell me what you like most about her.
He loves
Arre.
everything. Hannah Ali?
Yes.
तुम डरते हो उससे? Is she intimidating? Because she can be intimidating.
can
huh?
be.
She can be very intimidating.
Yeah.
I've sensed that once or twice.
But the problem is, I
Hmm.
know she's mush.
I
She's a
guess.
full softie inside.
Wait, I
Because-
want to stop you right here. You know, a lot of men get intimidated by
Strong women. Intimidating directors and co-stars is not something I would know because they'll only tell me retrospectively कि उस time पे हमें ऐसा लगा. But I think in any other relationship that I've had before Ali, maybe I wasn't as mature. I was constantly hiding, in the sense that not really articulating what, like in Runaway Bride, I'll have whatever eggs he's having. It was a lot of women sublimate that, and it takes time to come to terms with oneself and also know who you are. I think it's I've kind of softened into my presence because I don't have to put up that fight with this guy. He's not questioning my agency, and I thereby. So this is what I was getting to. The most mush people, they'll have this. It's like imagine a little animal, like a cat,
And-
like going into a corner and trying to appear big and like ferocious. But it's just it's what nature teaches us. Like the small animals, they tend to suddenly be like, hey, what did you just say? So you, because you've come from so much maybe hurt or like bullying or I don't know.
Like, can you talk about it without naming names? Or when
Not
you say hurt and bullying, what do you mean?
I've made a general observation about the softer people. I've been a bully in my childhood also, I will not lie, especially with my brothers. I grew up with four brothers in a joint family. So that kind of toughened me. And I also then was raised in Delhi. Delhi does different things to women. It, you know, you always have an armor. So when I mean is when you start to realize that you've also been the bully, it really does something to you. And then you almost righteously start to stand up for like when I walk into this room, whether I like it or not, I've checked out that these five people are here, and I've mentally made a note कि शायद किस इनमें से तीन ने शायद lunch break नहीं लिया है because we were late, and so this is a calibration that has happened already. Am I right? So I'm saying this is just it's developed like an instinct, and I must say, being a mother, it's very useful now because you can read people.
You know
Yeah.
why I talked about bullying and all of that is because, come on, we work in a very brutal field.
Yeah, yeah.
So there is a lot of body shaming. There is a lot of on sets. Like some sets are not safe spaces for women.
Yeah.
So I'm asking, have you been through something like that? Like for example, when you came, you may have not got the respect that a leading man or a supporting actor gets,
Yeah.
as opposed to say you 10 years ago. That's what I'm saying. Did those experiences ever shape you? Like, you want to talk about any experience where you were made to feel like a heel or not made to feel nice about something?
I think as definitely as a young woman on a set, like a 22-year-old
Yeah,
on a,
that's what I mean. You're
or even
vulnerable.
gangs, like heavy testosterone sets, no luxury, no comfort, just shooting guerrilla style in the streets, and I'm sure there's things that have come from that experience, but or even for the fact that like for a girl that came out of St. Stephen's College, suddenly I was interacting with a lot of actors from like other parts who were what we call B Town or maybe NSD graduates, but very different in their approach and sometimes how they look at women. And so it was also like, how do I carry myself in this world when I've been used to a certain type of equal man that I interact with? How do I,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? It's like a navigation.
The dynamics of.
Yeah.
You'll figure this
Did
out
you-
like as our daughter grows up. You'll be like,
Did you face any kind of sexism in that sense?
oh, 100%. And
Sure.
from men, women, it's like that's a default setting, huh? We shouldn't lie about it. Come on.
That's true. It's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you face any kind of
पहले get very insecure because I didn't know what the right way was. And I remember our first big film Shah Rukh Khan had produced, and वो always kabhi kabhi, and it didn't work. It bombed at the box office, and after that it was like, oh, okay, that's something that happens. So every time I would be on a set, um, you are suddenly made to be like feel aware of your position. You know, oh, अच्छा नहीं चला है ना इसका, अच्छा, okay, uh, and you see it in the programming of it, even the scheduling or just an AD coming to talk to you. The वो धीरे धीरे आपको it's a status game. You slowly start understanding it, and now I see it change over the years. I see how suddenly it flips on its head. I'm sure people, you know, like Ajay Devgan, Shah Rukh Khan, all these people, they're seeing it another level over their span of years, how it changes. But we've all been through it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they shape you. But I slowly realized that this wasn't going to work for me. Like my head's now out of it. I've seen tantrums after that. I've seen people snap after that. I've seen an actor snap for मच्छर काट रहा है यहाँ पे, तो मारा क्यों नहीं?
तो कोई और
मतलब
मारेगा
कसम
मच्छर?
से हाँ कि वो उसके लिए कोई बंदा रखा हुआ है. ये मैं आंखों देखा बता रहा हूँ मैं.
Ratna Patak had called out.
It's
I think
it's
you
the
can do with one
entitlement that's
assistant.
killing it.
Yeah.
It's the entitlement that I am bigger, you are smaller. I am better, you are lesser. Even if I have, let's say, 10 people employed. But एक वो आ जाता है ना कि ये लोग कम हैं. वो गलत
army,
है,
I've
वो
walked
बहुत
in
गलत
with an
लगता है
army
मुझे.
and a.
हाँ वो उससे कोफ्त होती है मुझे.
See what I mean?
It's
We are
disgusting.
get
It's
cringed
disgusting.
by it. So
That is already you're doing this cinema. We're part of cinema. Like we're part of the most compassionate occupation on this planet. Like there is no one study for it. We are studying human behavior for life, and suddenly you have like these people who you treat, and we're all conditioned. And I was conditioned at one point. I was starting to get conditioned. I remember I landed up on Victoria and Abdul, and suddenly Judy Dench has gotten up in the common room where we're all sitting and dressed up. She's at the counter and she turns to me, says, Ali, can I make you some tea or would you like some coffee? And I froze. I'm like, what is happening? Because I was in my van and it took me 10 minutes to just think that I have to go and walk up and make my coffee because we've been spoiled. वहाँ नहीं था. But then that concept is not there. Of course, we have a lot of people, and that's great that we can employ everybody, and that's fine. But if the dynamic changes, I think it's fine.
It has to
But
be
it's that
team stuff.
Yeah, it's the entitlement that suddenly makes it cringe, and so it shuts people off. Everybody's unreachable.
Like I'll give you an example of this. A makeup artist actually asked to read a script. He said, I would love to design a look. No, actually, this was a very senior person with very great aesthetics. And if they had considered his or her opinion, it would have greatly benefited the film in the sense that somebody wouldn't have randomly shown up wearing, like, for instance, blue contact lenses or doing something wrong for the period. So I feel like that sense is not there of all respect for all technicians. For those things are, I feel, we lag behind in those things. And again, celebrating each other.
Like that's why I was asking you the when you said that the afternoon session was amazing at the awards.
It was all technicians celebrating
technicians.
one another.
वही ना वही यहाँ पे people say कि technical awards के बाद आता हूँ है ना.
Whereas we had an entire session only for technical awards.
Exactly.
So I don't know, it was nice because the directors were honoring the technicians
Of
and all
course.
that.
Yeah.
You
fun.
can't.
It's fun.
Especially having been on this side, I feel like now. For instance, this is such a great year for cinema, independent cinema, with Payal's film. Payal Kapadia has made history. So many films at Cannes. Now, every chance I get, I'm tweeting about Payal's, telling people about the mag in the cinema halls. Because we have to support each other in a very
But
true
few do
sense.
that. Also, I've seen
Solidarity.
that change now. Earlier, it was not everybody was doing stuff. Like I see in Malayalam cinema, a lot of that happens. If one person's hey, this is my friend's first look, this is my friend's second look.
Yeah.
So I see a lot of these Malayalam film actors doing that for one another.
Because they don't feel threatened by each other. Like we
Who
don't.
knows? Maybe they do. Yeah, they are human.
But do you feel managements and all are responsible for creating this unnecessary sense of competition and insecurity? They prey on. Do people prey on one another's insecurity?
No, it's
and trigger them.
I might get crucified for saying this, but it's the systems we've created, like the rule book, right? Where all these umbrellas, wonderful agencies, I'm sure, and under which all these actors are clubbed in. And then there's a market here. अब वहाँ पे एक बेचारे एक एक्टर की विद इन दीज 5 किंगडम्स और 6 किंगडम्स वी कॉल देम एजेंसीज, उस एक की पूरी किस्मत इस पे निर्भर है कि यहाँ से कोई इन दिस कॉफी कप वन पर्सन विल कम आउट एंड डिसाइड कि वो एक फाइल ले जाएगा, बट फाइल में मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ या अकेली नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ 10 और हैं who look like me, no, who work like me, maybe, no, who belonged, we don't even know the category.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know.
Or Instagram
Yeah.
number same है, मैं उस category में हूँ.
Correct.
And then that's it. And so finally your entire, I'm talking about the new actors, not the established ones and all that. The entire ecosystem is based on what that pitch will be. That one word when somebody puts in कि यार ये फाइल है यार, इसमें से मैंने इसके फेस पे सेपिया टोन लगाया है, शायद ये तुम्हें पसंद आएगा आज. Today is what? Tuesday.
I know what you mean.
Yeah?
Like, I mean, Ali Fazal and Shahid Kapoor and Ranveer Singh and Vedang Raina and X cannot be competing for the same role. Is that what you're saying? Is that what
I'm
you're saying?
saying we could be, we could not be.
Hmm.
But that's,
And each one
I'm
will
saying
do it
each
their
one of
bit
them
Bit
deserve
differently.
Yeah.
a single separate pitch or space at
So
the
you're
table.
saying the management says कि अब चुनो ये पांच
हाँ.
actors है अब इनसे make do.
But
I get it.
all actors are constantly saying my agent needs to do more and he needs
Yeah,
to get
yeah.
more, whether it's here or in Hollywood. But I feel like when you go abroad, someone who really believes in you will sign you and then hence tailor make a pitch for you where they do justice to your craft, for instance.
But
You
even
know, here I feel like everyone is like, who has so many followers and what can they sell? Coffee? Can they sell surf?
but Richa, it's skewed both sides
Yeah, yeah,
at some level.
100%.
Like I also feel कि यहाँ we are still finding our footing here. So it's hard to just blame the managements. I don't know what to. Maybe it's not about blame. I guess it's about.
Not blame. If you look at it from the management's point of view, their business model is flawed because they have to have X number of artists to make the rent for the posh office in Bandra, and X number of managers need to be paid. So they're like, I can't put all my eggs in one basket. I need to sell him and him, and
Yeah.
so I'm saying
Yeah.
a lot of
Fair point.
rethinking needs
Yeah.
to
Needs to be
happen
right.
with the business model of our very very chaotic
Mm.
industry. The minute some like wise old guy sits down and does it, it'll be, and by guy I mean guy, girl, whatever you choose to call
I
yourself.
think we should go back to the drawing table and focus on art, and
जो
rest of
नहीं
it
हो
all
रहा है.
will come back in order. The finance models of what? Of cinema.
Hmm.
The
You spend so
uh,
much money on promotions. Why don't you spend that much in paying a script writer?
We're
My
living in an era
observations.
where promotion is more important than the work.
I
That's
feel
why.
sad sometimes. One of our writers, two, three of writers we keep jamming with a lot of times. Feel sad, yeah, कि we can't even offer them dev money. It is something that any studio would. but जब तक वहाँ जाएगा वहाँ वो तो
But
time
that's
लग
also
जाता है.
because art production companies
Because
like
we're
a
not
startup
financiers.
with two founders. That's
Yeah,
the
we are a
reality.
team of 4 only, but
Yeah.
we are not financiers. But the idea that यार एक writer लिख रहा है,
They
people
shouldn't have
are-
to think about the
Yeah.
food and the bills, you know.
True,
That
true.
To think you need to be well fed.
Tell me, how has your relationship changed as a husband and wife and as a boyfriend and girlfriend?
Wow, I'm still a boy.
I don't think much has changed from our dating days now. We've relaxed in each other's company a little bit.
Hmm.
Actually,
No longer putting the best foot forward, which is a great
Hmm.
space. है ना?
but I found an anchoring. I think for me, that was really really important. I've yeah, I found home here. I think that was the most beautiful thing. I've lived off suitcases most of my life.
Hmm.
So, for me, like having my own cupboard was it's a trigger point. Yeah.
So she's your safe space.
I mean, just
Yeah.
space, It's, yeah, she's,
Yeah, I love the life we've created together.
yeah.
I mean, when we
That's
met, I had a really tiny banged up car, and Ali had a cycle. So from there, when you grow, it's really precious.
Tell me about heartbreak. Is there a project that you've really worked on very hard and it didn't turn out the way you did and you is there something like that you worked?
I'm sure most of that's one of the reasons we decided to maybe subconsciously produce.
Yeah, to have slightly more control.
But
the
can you
reason-
be in control as producers?
No, not that
I don't
control.
know.
The control that this is a vision that began here. We have to usher it to its finality with that same pureness that writer, that director has put in and wants it. वो बहुत tough होता है. चीजें बदल जाती हैं. उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाता है.
Is there a project of yours which you've done you wished it would have done better or you would have done differently?
Certainly, lots I wish I didn't do.
Yeah?
Yeah. At least like 5 films. Yeah.
हाँ, I'm sure
Why?
बहुत पाप है.
Because they were not released well, they were not marketed well, or
No,
just they were
because
bad
I
films?
believed in a promise of the script and the execution didn't match up. And that can happen to the best of us.
Yeah.
But my only thing is like, what does an actor do if you figure out on day 3 that अरे ये तो गड़बड़ हो रहा है? What do you do? 2 दिन तो आप छप गए. What do you do then?
Yeah,
Do you lose interest or do you
No,
still
no.
do your best? You got to do your best, man. Like, what do
Yeah,
you
you're
do?
stuck.
Like, your face is there. चाहे कोई सो जाए पीछे. And you hear gentle snores as you're doing a monologue, but you can't help it.
That's crazy. Na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy
Has
things
it happened
happen.
with you?
Yeah, many times. I was thinking of not last. It's been a while, but Milan Talkies मैंने की थी. ऋतिक मांशु दुलिया की. वो पिट गई थी. उसको वो सही से शायद उस वक्त present नहीं हो पाई या you know.
It's also hard.
It was a
man.
beautiful love
it's
story.
very hard.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, from this side now, वो promote नहीं हो पाई वाला जो factor है, if the cost of production and the cost of marketing are equal, it's gonna kill the small producer. That's why you see fewer and fewer smaller films today. What do you do in this noise of like this ubiquitous पूछना है?
नहीं नहीं. इतना भी नहीं. I know the meaning. Maybe.
So we keep things light. That's why it's fun.
You know, this film is about, I'm guessing, about a woman's coming of age and her mother's coming of age, literally. And, you know, so what made you take up a project like Girls Will Be Girls?
Well, to be honest, the director and I are college classmates. So this is the long time in coming. We were always like that. We do something together for the first time. And then she went to film school in the States. Then I was here, became an actor. So it just sort of worked out. And if she would have written something else also, I would have 100% backed it because she's one of my closest friends. But that's not why. I do not have to mention that the script was so amazing that it went to so many script labs already on its own, like with no input from me. So she's just a really talented person, and I'm so glad this is our first.
Yeah, yeah.
Just
It's
last
been,
night we got.
Yeah, we got nominated another 2 noms at the Indie Spirit Awards.
See, the second one I can't pronounce only, so tum kar dena.
Indie Spirit Awards, we got Best Supporting nom for Kani, and we got the John Cassavetes award, which is a big one. It's a very very prestigious one, matlab award
So
for
who
which
will
we are
be flying to
nominated.
LA?
Hopefully both.
If Nanny flies, we can all fly. If Nanny has valid passport and visa.
No, I have a release coming there, so it's a good time. We'll be able to go.
Always happy to be in California.
Nice. No, but tell me more about the Girls Will Be Girls.
Jitesh, I'm telling you, when I finished filming, I was at Dehradun airport because we shot the film in Dehradun, Missouri. And somebody was at the airport. There was this lady who was reading Filmfare, an old copy of Filmfare.
Ah, nice.
And that's why my first question to you was, do you have data on people not reading magazines? Because anyway, and we had wrapped the film, and I thought to myself that this is something you will enjoy, because I see your like non-official posts about other cinema or about Smita Vatel, you know. So those are things that you have to really love Hindi cinema to feel.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you have to have a love for it. Like, you have to love what it stands for, what it does for language and music and food and culture. In that way, I think you will really dig this.
The movie.
Yeah. I'm confident of that. And so will someone.
If I had to quickly tell you to analyze one another, what you like the most about him, like you said, you don't like her overthinking. Other than that,
I
any
also
kind of
don't like
like as a husband, and
Yeah.
how much you tolerate him, and how much is he lovely?
He's lovely. By
Oh
and
my
large.
God.
He really is lovely.
Yeah,
I'm
seems
very
like
blessed.
that sort. Yeah.
I've said it multiple times. What do you
Okay.
want?
Nee, I thought something was coming.
No, you're
Okay.
lovely. Actually, I'm surprised by how, I mean, like.
Is there like a quirky, eccentric quality about him that sort of is very endearing?
I think he thinks I get pissed off, but I no longer get pissed off. He dozes off very easily. Like, he can doze off mid conversation.
So I'm relaxed around you
Mid bite.
because of the same fact that I'm very very relaxed around you.
Yeah, so now I take it as a compliment that
Yeah.
he's so easy that he's just letting go. I love that. Actually, you're sitting and suddenly you look and then he's gone. You know, just sleeping. And
Please,
actually,
itna bura bhi
I
nahi hai,
don't
yeah.
not Bura, I'm saying it's cute. Now
Yeah.
you're minding.
Okay.
Also, you had like an
I'll want to say what I dislike. बोल दूँ?
बोल दो.
कि अली का गुस्सा इतना सस्ता है.
Oh God.
Like I get angry rarely, but he's just like, light is not working. And I'm like, yeah, it's the light is not working. And
Because things work.
he suddenly, what? ये गलत काटा है. इससे मैं कैसे काटूंगा? And like something small can trigger him. He's super
Because
short
that's
tempered.
etiquette. It's just aesthetic.
See this.
I'm a man of aesthetics. I think that's very
Oh,
important
be
in today's day.
quiet. She's nursing a baby. You
No,
cannot.
not her. I'm
argue
not.
aesthetic.
I'm not screaming. No, no.
ऐसा कुछ clutter है भरपूर.
Yeah, if there's a baby,
But
there's going to be
aesthetically,
clutter.
very good clutter. Let's call it that. We have a baby.
Do you know after the release of our film, our jobs are to declutter our house. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the job.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the
we
main
have to.
thing.
Christmas
To
हम वही
make
करेंगे.
space for her. She'll be like, मुझे इस कमरे में क्यों रखा है?
बैंड्रा के सारे पेड़ों पे we can go hang all the clutter.
Shut up.
Merry Christmas.
So yeah, that's the only thing. I mean, he's quick to temper. He's quick to cool off. Like if I show him a WhatsApp meme in the same breath, he'll be like, oh. But it's like he's forgotten that. But
Thanks. You just suddenly made me look like no, है ना?
And-
सस्ता only.
and Astheet, who's quick to temper and quick to cool down.
I'm evolved.
Oh,
So lovely,
that's
wow.
too
I don't
lovely,
keep.
lovely.
I can't keep.
He can't keep grudges. Sometimes I have to remind him. इसने वो कहा था. He's like, wow.
You know, you both have this interreligious marriage. Has that ever been a problem with your families, or
Nahin.
you know, the trolling? Like I had an actor who came on the set on the show, and she said, you know, I put a post and they started saying love jihad because her husband is Muslim, and in that sense, social media,
The beast of social
beast.
media.
So do you take all of it seriously? Do you take that, like, you know,
You
trolling
can't-
can trigger you?
It can, I think, but you can't take it seriously because now you're also living in an age when you know, like, uh, how much of this is like bots and manufactured. You can't really take it so seriously because you're no longer aware that the thing on the other side is a human being first. That is a data driven fact for us to remember and always consider. And the second thing is, like you said, no, you hurt people. If someone's really going through a lot of mess in their life, just you laughing on a good sunny day can trigger them. So we don't have to worry about it. I mean,
It's amazing how Chaplin said it in his
Yeah.
speech. Unloved men, machine hearts, and machine minds.
yeah.
Brilliantly said. Yeah. That's where it all comes out of.
Yeah. So sometimes, I mean, earlier I'd be like, "Arey yaar, kitna." I would also troll a few people.
You
but
have
now-
to distance yourself from that.
Yeah.
And it's a rabbit hole because then when you start thinking about the psyche of the person behind it, the society behind it, the entire, it's endless.
Yeah, it is.
Can actors be friends? Like, do you have like I've seen your pictures at Shabana's, and there's Konkona and there's Diya. And all
They are
that.
lovely.
Do you have like male bonding as well?
मेरा थोड़ा कम है, but that's because of
No, he has male
I-
bondings, maybe not in large groups, but he's
Ah.
good friends within the industry.
Achha, you
Yeah,
do.
that
Is
way.
it's possible to be friends with other actors?
from
And
my
it's
side
also-
definitely.
Also possible to be friends without taking photos. So many times you don't get to know who you're hanging with. क्योंकि अपन खेल रहे हैं.
I'm
उस
that
time
person.
में.
I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not for Instagram.
It's not. It's genuine.
You
it's
forget,
nice. It's,
like,
yeah, I'm there.
But yeah, lots of deep bonds also within the industry. Very helpful people,
Yeah.
kind people.
Finally, what's been the meanest and nicest thing that has been told to you both?
The meanest thing, I have to hand it to someone because I did a deep dig on it and I can't locate that article anymore.
What?
I remember at that time I'd like fresh off the success of Gangs of Wasseypur. There was an article that came out which was like, page ke side mein wala the thing. It said 10 things we hate about Richa Chadha.
Oh my god.
And it was a hit job. The success has not gone to her head, it's gone to her thighs.
But did somebody do that?
But I
Do
was
people
like,
do that? Can people do
"कौन
that?
इतना वेला है?" And I couldn't understand. I thought that was super
Wow.
mean. And I remember that was the only time in my life I've looked at something and been like, this is just
Mean
toxic. And
man.
Rohini Iyer was my PR at the time. Some 10 years ago. After that, I switched and I've been with one person only for a long, long time. But I did remember calling her and being like, Rohini, what is this? She's like, I'll get to the bottom of this. This is a job. That was super mean. It really hurt me. At that time, I remember cried a lot. उसके बाद मैंने कहा नहीं ना praise पड़ेगी ना negative.
And kindest thing?
I got a sexy compliment. Ali, you're going to be jealous of this one.
What?
Now I don't know if it was a guy or a girl. I don't remember.
अरे guy assume करते हैं ना.
हाँ.
बोलो चलो बोलो.
It was a guy, okay. I'm sure it was a guy. Looked like
अबे
that.
बोलो तो.
The compliment was, you are very beautiful, but that is the least interesting thing about you. Get it? Because I had just come off of interview where I sounded really like intellectual.
But
and
she
deep.
gets these random. She would get these random. What are those?
But you understand that it made me blush, man. I was like, oh wow, क्या खेल गए यार.
Nice.
Nice.
Now you're getting jealous of a stranger.
No, but you do now. You were getting क्या बोलते हैं उसको calls जो होती हैं road पे. सलमा हैक बोल रहे थे तेरे को उधर.
Oh yeah.
It was hilarious. It
Who
was
was
so
calling you
funny.
Salma
It
Hayek?
was so funny.
We were in our super broke days, so we got this invite, okay, to go to a film festival where I did a small part in an anthology of films.
Oh, yeah.
And we
Mexico.
went to Mexico,
Yeah.
and it was like a, I don't know, 50-hour journey in economy, but बहुत खुश पहुंचे उधर, happy as all hell, and reached there, took separate flights because I think मैं जा रही तो आएगा, and then he came from somewhere, he booked his own
And
cheap
hurricane
flight.
had hit the place. Los
Yeah,
Cabos.
it was devastated, and we were just hanging out, and we got a lot of hey Salma on the road.
Yeah.
Yes,
Great
and
fun.
so the kindest and meanest thing that you did.
The kindest thing, somebody said that I've been, for me it was very kind that I've been, whoever my mother is has taught me really well how to treat.
I know
women.
who said this. I had an offhand conversation with this person.
Who?
Was it Grover? Varun Grover.
No. Oh, okay.
But Varun
Thanks.
Grover has said this to me about you in a separate instance.
Okay.
That's
That's
so
sweet.
beautiful,
Oh,
no?
nice, yeah.
Lovely.
So yeah, that was really sweet. Meanest thing was
Something about your acting skills or something.
that I'm fine. That I'm okay with.
Hmm.
So कितना बोला गया?
That's a feedback. Like,
मुझे तो हर
actually-
मेरे हर हॉलीवुड में सॉरी आई एम सेइंग इट आई एम नॉट ग्लोटिंग बट मेरे हॉलीवुड आउटिंग पे मुझे कोई ब्लिंक एंड मिस बोलता है सो आई एम लाइक ये तो फिर सब जो whoever tries outside will get this
maybe they're
comment.
blinking like this. like, they're like,
I want to be part of the blink and miss wagon. I think I'll be the proud
As
owner
in
of it.
when they say blink and miss, your role was blink and miss or what?
I think पता नहीं मुझे याद 2-3 दफा
Stop it. Stop it.
but
You know, we are
meanest-
making ourselves only very happy.
हाँ यार.
और
Which is
कोई
good.
हंसे या ना हंसे.
And to wrap up this interview, what would Richa tell a 20-year-old Richa? What would Ali tell a 20-year-old looking back? What would you tell your younger self?
I was in my bully phase at 20.
You were being bullied.
No. In my bully phase.
Achha.
oh wow.
Yeah. I was head of Saste Katil.
Yeah, that's the
We had a school girls group called Saste Katil. But we were bandanas,
Wow.
like, you know, the guys
तो
from
मतलब-
Josh and bully Eve teasers in Delhi. Like, ये क्या देखा क्या बताओ फिर उधर आके.
But what would you tell yourself then?
I would just tell myself to do exactly what I was doing then and be like, hang in there, you'll get there. 100%. And I put all my, like, I think 45 kgs of bags in Delhi on a Rajdhani and came to Bombay with just that one. कुछ तो कहीं तो पहुंच जाऊंगी, like that.
Do you have to hustle a lot?
Hustle में, so the thing is I don't like that word only. Hustle.
Jugaad.
Not jugaad, but like real, like what do you know, Jaan Hateli pe le aaye type of, like, you can do anything type of jazba, enthusiasm.
Hmm.
but है तो तुम्हें
वही तो बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ
मतलब
जिद
zid.
नहीं
Nice wordplay. Zid is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ziddi
Yeah,
ho.
she's saying Jan Hateli pe
हाँ.
zid.
Basically ziddi hai.
I mean, like,
Yeah.
I'll for me, if someone I meet a Ziddi and I'm also Ziddi, and then there's a, should I do that? The clash of the Ziddis is amazing. Like, I love, because I love working with Bhansali Saab and those kind of people, because they're like, this is my standard. I'm like, yeah, this is my standard. Okay, I'll show you.
You said you were in an interview where you said you did some 100 rehearsals. I was laughing.
100 takes.
Is
Yeah.
that
99 takes.
Is that true?
Yeah.
My God.
But he didn't use the shot because he wasn't happy. And I have to say, I agree with him.
But
I
एक
agree
minute,
with him.
99 takes मतलब क्या? You weren't being able to act or?
No, it was
Dance.
a dancing
It was a dance
thing,
sequence.
and
Acha,
the
the
lehenga was
technical-
heavy. I couldn't hit the mark. The lehenga was taking me somewhere. Then once the flower went in my eye, and he was like, and I have to cry and sing.
Also, you
It's
must notice
hard.
she's drunk.
And drunk.
But she's played it to the T.
Yeah.
Delulu, drunk, giggly, in a heavy lehenga with a guldasta on my head. It's not easy,
Oh man.
And so, for me also, I get it. Like, I get it. I get why he didn't use that. I get it. And I would happily do 19. I think he just left after 30, 40. He was like, Mera ho gaya, karo koi iske saath. And then, yeah, and just left.
Oh my God.
And you?
Just believe in yourself. Honestly, it sounds very cliched, but that's what I would do. Stick to what you're doing.
And to end, like what she said, how many takes have you given, maximum takes have you given on a...
On Fukre,
30,
29.
29.
हाँ.
But
What was the
Fukre,
क्योंकि सीन बहुत फेमस सीन है. हम सारे बंदे जो हैं वो सिक्योरिटी ऑफिस में मिलते हैं कॉलेज के. where Pankaj ji is there, Pulkit, me, Manjot, Varun, all stuffed in one room, and those takes happened because there was the continuity of one अगरबत्ती हमारे पीछे. और उस चक्कर में कम से कम 15 टेक वहीं गए. फिर Mriggs, this big project happening, and he was just like relentless. तो बेचारी एक लड़की थी, वो आती रहती थी, सिर्फ वो कंटिन्यूटी मैच करती थी अगरबत्ती के पीछे. Bizarre. But no, because of I think I'm pretty, as an actor, like sometimes it's instinctive, so you land it in the first take. Sometimes that happens with me, and sometimes I love when it gets like past 3, 4, 5 takes, then it becomes
I'm
nicer.
laughing because I remembered a film in which you also were laughing because of how stupid the scene was.
Because of?
How stupid the scene was.
Which film are you laughing?
I can't. Oh God. My veins must be popping right now.
No, which film?
I won't want to say now.
We were watching a film.
Off camera,
We
you
were
can tell us.
watching a film in which you were acting.
Oh, I'm acting.
But he was at that point of having given
No
up
return.
so badly that he was just like this in the scene. He was like,
He was
"Chalo, hum
hamming.
baahar chalte hain." I'll tell you off camera.
Oh,
Jab
God.
yaad aaya. Oh, shit.
What would you tell your 20-year-old?
To not have so many fears. It's okay. You did good. You'll do good.
Nice.
Hmm.
Yeah, actually, fears is what drives half the things. Yeah.
It's not so difficult. Don't just let it go.
Yeah, it's this.
Mm.
The body remembers. Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes you gotta be like.
Yeah.
cleansing
Have you
every day.
guys had therapy and for anxiety? Have you ever,
I
for
think-
mental health?
Maybe not a psychiatrist, but a therapist for sure. Yeah. During the lockdown, I had a tough time. We went.
Anxiety.
I went. Yeah. Not, just sometimes you just want to figure yourself out also. Why am I like this? Why do I get into these patterns? So those kind of things. I
You?
highly recommend
Generational.
it.
Or anything that can break that pattern. It's generational sometimes. It's muscle memory. It's whatever, or childhood. That just sticks, and it can. Your body or your mind tricks you to find trigger points in the real physical world, so it can take off. So you need to break that pattern, because I did a deep dive on the people before me. In the family, you see their life patterns, and then their forefathers and their forefathers. You realize there's a pattern,
Of course.
and if you can break that,
Our parents didn't know any better.
Yes.
Their parents didn't know
Yeah.
any better. So
Yeah.
it is.
so
That's
I-
why there's a film on DV called It Ends With Us. It's simply because
Yeah.
these patterns keep repeating.
Yeah.
In any person's life,
Yeah.
this is what is being This is going to be one bizarre interview with us cracking
Yeah,
up,
we've
then
gone
going
from like
Great,
selfie.
great fun. So I have an audience here which is very happy to ask you a lot of questions. So shoot.
Hi, Richa. The question is for you. So basically, in India, we romanticize motherhood a lot. You know, everything is nice and everything is great. But if you had to tell me three harsh truths about being pregnant, giving birth, and motherhood, what would they
I
be?
think globally we romanticize motherhood because society depends on it, na? Imagine if women were to put their wombs on strike. Ke, no babies for you. Uh, First of all, females could be extinct, and secondly, I think it's a self-preservation tactic to glorify motherhood. Having said that, it's the closest you will come to being godlike because you're cooking something in your own oven, personal oven, baking everything from your blood and sweat and bones and calcium. But I think the myth is that in pregnancy you're just in a soft bubble and like everything's great and your skin is glowing. Your skin and all does glow, your hair also becomes thicker, but those are the benefits of placenta and they will fade. and uh, and I think even after giving birth, to to say that period is beautiful in the same way as a sometimes like a melancholic song because it's there and it's beautiful and there's life, but also you're going through like a whole thing, existential experience.
From Fukre to Victoria and Abdul, you have chosen roles which are very diverse. How do you choose it yourself? Like choose the scripts. And the second part is you might have answered that in parts before. That what can speaking cinema industry can learn from the global cinema and vice versa.
I think there are a lot of languages in the world. What we do learn is stories. Stories travel, and eventually, emotions are all the same. You know, the cultural differences, those get heightened up in your personal stories and storytelling, and that's an art.
Yeah.
Good stories are good stories are good stories. And to the first part of your question, now I can choose. Touch wood, I'm in a position where maybe I'm trying to, or thinking maybe that I can manipulate a little or navigate a little. I wasn't at that position back then, and which is why I think, and I have no regrets. I That's one of the reasons why I respect the auditioning process in a film. I still do for all the Western work that I do, and yeah, it still teaches me, brings
I
me
mean,
back, like
if
slaps
someone
me
was
back.
to ask you to audition for a film here, you'd do it.
I've actually insisted on two films recently that I would love to see how, like, you should see my. I was talking to the director who's also a writer on the film. I said, let's just tape it for each other. You know, I felt pretty cool saying that. But I think it's important. The differences to बहुत हैं. It's economies only change, no? Because you're suddenly catering a film in America is catering to just by default more countries. So even the smallest film is a very large budget film in the Indian film industry, in the Hindi speaking industry. फिर आप उधर जाओगे तो मलयालम तमिल उनके तो और अलग अलग बजट्स होते हैं. It's a totally different ball game. But yeah.
Richa, I wanted to ask you this: that do you think Hindi speaking seeing the Girls Will Be Girls trailer, it was amazing. So knowing this, do you think the Hindi speaking audience are they ready for a new kind of storytelling? And having said that, what are the stereotypes of women that you want to break in Hindi film industry?
I first of all, I think film definitely Hindi speaking audience is not dumb. They're definitely smart. I feel like वो एक हो जाता है culture, like then it seeps into everything. Like all decision making we think people are incapable of, and that's not the truth. These are the same people that were loving good films till not so long ago, or they were watching good TV shows even if they were on Doordarshan. So I don't like to think that the audience is not smart. The audience is quite discerning when it comes to where they should spend their money. They know what to do with what. So I think the film, ek to they are ready. They have been ready for a long time. They've been hungry, and they've been giving signs to the producers also. Okay, this is what I want to see. And as far as breaking stereotypes for women is concerned, I would just like the women to have more of a voice, like to be more real. Like say 10 years ago, when a lot of different like modern storytelling was being written for girls, you'd show that a modern girl is like, at a club and like smoking and drinking and going woohoo, and that's not the truth. And now when that culture is sort of like people get a drink after work, there's no labeling of that kind of character. So things evolve with society also, but I would love to see more nuanced, well written female characters. Abhi bhi I feel like we have a long way to go in that.
Mm.
If someone is forgiving, they're forgiving only. If someone is evil, they are just black, and that's like not true in real life.
Yeah. You can't be out of the ecosystem of.
But actually,
Mother.
Salika Javed tried that.
We
bit
have a
with,
tradition of, I was going to say, in Hindi films at least, we have a tradition of here in the last, like ever since my career began, people keep saying things like actress and shelf life. But you look at the careers of Vajanti Mala and Hema Malini and Sridevi,
Sharmila Tagore.
Rekha,
Nobody talks about Sharmila
Shabana Azmi,
My God,
Sharmila
what a
Tagore.
craft.
Sharmila Tagore's best movies happened after Saif was born. Like they say, no marriage could do. Like Amar Prem, Saif must have been one
And
of the
Sharmila
few.
Tagore
She's a
began
Satyajit
her
Ray heroine.
Satyajit Ray.
Legend.
Jaya Prada.
Yeah.
I don't
Jaya
think Sharmila
Bhaduri
gets
is a-
enough credit for the
Yeah.
superstar that she is. She is truly one of the first superstars.
Yeah. And having traversed all kinds of cinema.
I mean, 5 movies with Satyajit Ray, nobody gets
Oof.
it.
Yeah. Insane.
And all like 5 author-backed roles.
Yeah.
Not just another sundry character.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Jaya Bhaduri starting with Satyajit Ray.
Yeah,
These are like things. I mean, of course, as see this love for cinema, we know these things and we have respect for these things. So I feel like that is, and that respect can be cultivated if you keep telling people good stories. If you also like come see me dance for 2 hours, they'll be like, okay. And then that relationship is not real. You know what I mean?
She's very funny. Na? She's unintentionally funny.
Yeah.
You know, she doesn't have to try.
Ali's like, yeah, that's what I'm married to.
Thank you so much. Wishing you all the very best on Girls Will Be Girls.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
do just stay your real, authentic, organic selves. Thank you so much for being part of this conversation.